Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am laughing because I kind of feel like this series is also a series where I try out every single lip balm I can get my hands on and I try and find the best lip balm. So today I have another lip balm to try out, and this is a Korean beauty lip balm which I am so excited about. I love Korean beauty products, and this is from the brand Brtc, and it's the Centella Cica lip balm. I love the packaging on this, so cute. It's vegan, and let's see how it is. The packaging on the product itself is also cute. Ooh, okay. First, let's see if it smells like anything. No, I don't think it does, and that's actually a good thing for skincare in general because fragrances can be very irritating. So, not surprised that this doesn't have a scent to it. And so, I like how it just twists up like this. Interesting, like it twists up from the top section, not the bottom section like I'm used to. And let's see if I can get my dry lips hydrated again. Ooh. I was also very curious to compare this Korean beauty product to the lip balms that I'm used to getting, you know, the lip balms I find at the drugstores around me. And I would say this seems very similar in texture, in the finish left on my lips, but it almost is just a little bit more kind of creamy in texture is how I want to describe it. A little bit softer than the lip balms that I'm used to, which I like even better. Like I really like the texture of this one even more. And I feel like it is incredibly, completely moisturizing to my chapped, dry lips. Like my lips are immediately fully moisturized right now. And the finish, it looks maybe slightly shinier than a regular lip balm that I would reach for, which I also love because I love having shine and gloss to my lips because it really is enhancing. So this is just an extra comfortable, extra moisturizing, extra enhancing lip balm in my opinion because of that shine. And it also has really smoothed out the lines in my lips as well, which I feel like I keep saying regular lip balm that I have, it'll be moisturizing, but it doesn't necessarily like smooth out my lips and get rid of the lines. I feel like it takes more of like a lip oil, a lip gloss to give me that effect, but that I'm getting that with a lip balm is very impressive to me. So I love this, just like I was hoping I would. I keep looking at my lips in the mirror here being like, wow, this looks so great. I feel like I opened this up and tried this at the perfect time because now we're in December. Can you believe that? We are in December. To me, it doesn't even feel like Christmas is around the corner, but I need to get myself in the Christmas spirit. It might be because it actually hasn't even snowed yet where I live in Massachusetts, but I'm sure since I said that, it's gonna be a blizzard like tomorrow or something. But at least I have this great lip balm to get my dry lips through this cold weather. Even last week, I noticed I had a cut in my lips, and that's just awful, right? When your lips are so dry and chapped that they actually get cuts, that's the worst, and I want to try and prevent any more of that happening. So I'm gonna keep this lip balm by my side, reapplying it because this seriously makes my lips feel and look so good. So if you've tried this lip balm, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. I know these lip balm review videos are very short, but you know, it's good sometimes to keep these videos brief and to the point. So thank you again for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.